The initiative is geared at highlighting the students' brain power, creativity and talent while motivating them to read as many books as they can. Hazel Bonaparte is a teacher and member of the literacy committee at the school.
Criteria was given to them, so they were given a form, they were given the books. Some of the classes chose their own books, right? So a criteria was given, however, we left it up to them, especially with the response and the illustration. We left it up to them to come up with their ideas, and it was fantastic.
Steps were taken through the Ministry of Education to improve literacy in primary school as a result of challenges faced by secondary school teachers. Bonaparte says at her school much emphasis is being placed on literacy, and through this initiative the results are being shown.
Most of the children are at their reading level. However, there is always room for improvement. Some children may be below, and we as teachers, we will do remedial work to help them. We come up with many strategies so that they can improve in their reading. Little extra classes, other little strategies, formative strategies, assessment strategies are being used to get them to love books. Recently, as in last year, we opened our library.
The book reports were showcased using different art forms, skits, poetry and songs. Here is a snippet of the students' presentation.
I would recommend this story because it encourages us not to give up. When we're not good at something, to be just like tortoise, slow and steady wins the race.
The name of our book report is entitled The Quarrelsome Trees.
You don't hear calling you? Who calling me then? Oh, it's you. You're always in my face, taking up my space. Me? Yes, you. Always talking about somebody. But you know we buddies? You know we don't like nobody. Yeah. They're watching me and think I friendly. They don't know me yet. They call me Miss Confusion.
Hi, the main character is our favorite because she was a good friend.
The story is about the boy by the name of Dick Whittington. He had no parents and no money, so he decided to go to London to look for a job. London was 5 miles away, so he walked 5 miles, and when he reached London, it was not like his home.
Bonaparte says she is impressed with the quality of work given by the students.
Wonderful. Some teachers were hiding, or when they came out, it was a joy to see some of those things.
While it is not on the calendar of events of the school, Bonaparte says the literacy committee will return to the drawing board to find ways to host it annually. For MTV News, I am Rachel Bain.